Replacing locks can be very expensive, especially if you have multiple lock set in your house. What's up, folks? This is your friend Naren. There are many situations where you give a key to somebody like movers or babysitters maybe, or cleaners. And then after some time you're not sure who has copies of your keys. So you might want to change the locks. Or if you're a landlord, your tenant moved out and now you want to basically put new locks or keys. So replacing those locks can be very expensive. I have done that and it adds up a lot. Today I have a way that you can replace the keys and not the locks. So I found this Kwikset Rekey set. Now I'm not endorsing the product or they have not paid me, but I use this basically to replace the keys whenever I had to do that, like a tenant moves out or I lost a key. It's very it's simple, and then this kit has 6 keys, so 4 of the same kind, and then there are 2 different. So you can actually do for 2 different sets of locks using this one. Now let's go over to the door and I'll show you how to do it. Now as you can see, this has basically keys as well as a setting tool, a rekey tool. So now if you open this tool, basically this tool has a flat edge. It's a simple tool, and then this comes in either this little fancy thing or it just comes like just a small metal plate. Either of them is fine. So this is what we basically use to rekey the lock. And let's walk out to the door and I can show you how to do it. So this is my current key and this key works. I know that. So I'm going to do basically bring it in the position where the key is like this, and the bolt is inside. Then use the this tool, which is basically a rekey tool. Put it in the slot all the way, and then holding both of this together, the key and the rekey tool, rotate this, and you can see the deadbolt coming out, right? So this is 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Now I'm going to take only the key out and keep the tool inside and put the new key that you want to program. So now we have both of these together inside, and then rotate it clockwise all the way so that the deadbolt is closed. And the key can only come in when it's come out only when it's vertical. So I'm going to basically take the tool out, and now the key is programmed.